In a bid to provide better connectivity in the state, Union Minister NITIN GADKARI today laid the foundation stone for 13 highway projects and inaugurated a road safety project in Manipur. This is the best possible Independence Day gift for the Manipuris, as these projects, after completion, will pave way for development through enhanced infrastructure in the state. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways informed in a statement. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh presided over the virtual function attended by MOS RTH, Retired General V.K. Singh, several MPs, MLAs and senior officers from the centre and the state. Manipur Chief Minister's Police Award for Gallantry conferred 2020 on Sub-Inspector of Imphal East Commando Baisamayum Debson has been cancelled and withdrawn as he was involved in a ₹3 crore drug smuggling case back in 2013. According to a release from the Joint Secretary Home, an inquiry committee has been constituted headed by IGP Intelligence K. Radheshyam to look into the matter. The release further added that Inspector E. Roshan, reader of Imphal East Superintendent of Police, has also been suspended under Rule 66 of Assam Police Manual Part 3. The inspector was given the task to make the list of police personnel who received awards on Independence Day 2020. India's COVID-19 tally rose to 26,47,663 today, with a single-day spike of 57,981 infections, while the death toll crossed the 50,000 mark with 941 fresh fatalities, according to the Union Health Ministry data. The recoveries surged to 19,19,842, pushing the recovery rate to 72.51%. The total number of tests for detection of COVID-19 also crossed the 3 crore mark in India, according to the Indian Council of Medical Research data. The death toll due to coronavirus infection climbed to 50,921, with 941 people succumbing to the disease in a span of 24 hours, according to media reports. A total of 68 persons, 42 males and 26 females from the general population and 111 personnel from Central Armed Police Force were tested positive for COVID-19 in Manipur in the last 24 hours. With this, the overall case tally in the state has climbed to 4,569. The number of active cases in the state now stands at 1,921, while 2,632 have been discharged after recovery. The recovery rate in the state has increased to 57.60%, according to the State COVID-19 Command Control Room. Coronavirus has so far claimed 16 lives in the state. Chamhana Air Sterilization Purifier, a South Korean company, today donated 3 active air sterilization purifiers to the Health and Family Welfare Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar to help the government in the fight against COVID-19. 3 books authored by renowned writer Lairin Lakpam Ngoba were released yesterday at Hojai. The books were Saiding Iba Tamba Chatpa, Saturday Conversation for Children and Children's Wild Animal. The book launch function was organized by Writers Forum Assam Hojai at Jugijan residence of Haubam Krishna Kumar. Mizoram's main opposition party, Joram People's Movement, has tied up with opposition Congress in at least 35 village councils in the run-up to the rural and local body polls, a Congress leader said yesterday. According to media reports, polling for 558 village councils in 9 districts and 83 local councils within Aizawl municipal area will be held on August 27. Sikkim reported 19 new COVID-19 cases yesterday, taking the state's overall tally to 1,167. The state now has 463 active cases, the officials further added. According to media reports, apart from them, an ITBP personnel posted at Lingdom was also found to be positive.